ha pugo pelo de ha boss aga ti oko ka na fe yan umu live yeah ba go di oko na yeah ha ba go pelo de ha boss live live ti oko me pega ya Copy.
Wonderful people, please let me analyze the video for you a little bit. That shout, hey, whoa, yeah, they hear that time. Now when they knock the woman pama, they thought those bulldozers have been abandoned. They are shouting payload that they don't even know the difference. Who meet? I can't tell the difference between freedom fighting and, of course, they know they are criminals. But if they can deceive them into joining in the first place, how would they know what is a bulldozer and what's a payload? Please tell them or challenge, open challenge. If they show you any video, they are on a daytime now. The so-called payload is still there. Let them go in front of that vehicle and make a video. Let me see. Please, Governor Tas Soludo, we are asking you this operation. That place is even Anambra State. The place that bulldozer is in Anambra State, and that bulldozer is a kind of not giving us what we want, and it can't work alone. We need like extra floor. That place is Orsu Imo. You can help us, even if the soldiers in Onitsha are not ready. They can send us those bulldozers. We'll be clearing why they themselves prepare for operations, because operations are not what you just start up doing. You have to pull men from so many places. Why they are at that, we can use those bulldozers to move further. That's the only thing we will clear that place with. And when this is all over, Orsu people, Orsu Imo people, Orsu Imo people, they will need to drive bulldozers around all the places these guys were planting all these IEDs. That's the only way we can stop all these explosions that are harming our own people. Please, back to the topic. That they did not steal that. It was when they wanted to go there because we don't want to go back. That's why that those bulldozers are there. We don't want to move back. We are not pulling back. We will march until we enter that valley. We either seal off that valley with explosives or we go there, but be rest assured that every single person there will perish. We will take it over. So we left all those things there to show them that we are not going back. It's forward all the way. We are going all the way. We are going to press them until we vanquish them. Alain Onyema can take them to his houses all over Nigeria. Yes, he can harbor them all he wants, since all these people from Lille, Iseke, and all these places don't want to help themselves. Let Alain Onyema carry them, take them, Shebi Usabi, fly them, go America. Fly them, but the federal government will not spend 1 kobo in any amnesty program. I mean, they tell you. And for those of you that have been making some kind calls, Ijele is not leaving this place. Udele will remain in Orsu. Shebi now when I say when I want see me, now I don't come now and I say when I they make call. Even the chief of army staff cannot remove me from this Orsu because I'm in my land. Okay? Because I am in my land. See, they hear the God. Yes, this is real life. No be movie. They shoot. They shoot very close to this place. So we are not giving an inch. We are moving. Please, we need those bulldozers. We need them. They are very important. Governor h0o, we need bulldozers. Nobody would give us this because they thought maybe it would get lost. And maybe that's why they are making all these videos, in order for people not to loan us bulldozers. Those of you that are interested in ending this scourge of IPOB ESN, if any of you can offer us bulldozers, please, I will make sure it's returned safely to you. We are not moving an inch backward. Hello, it's bringing memories, fun memories. Just see how Orlu has changed. And all these fools that want to ruin Imo State for us. Just watch or look. This is a place I used to know. Mama Chizara, they used to live down there. If you follow the streets down there, house, if you follow back here, you will get to their house. The mom used to work at a place around this side. Back here is h0o now. Straight is where my formal school is. You can even still see the h0o, Nigel, I said h0o. The Nigel pole there. The school, special school for the dumb and what? Deaf and dumb is up there. Back here used to be where we follow to go and watch Ekeleke, is that what they call it? And this is that total. That total we used to know, that popular total in Olu. And this is the market. Watch how clean everywhere is. Watch how tidy everywhere is. Well taken care of. Well taken care of. See that road straight to Allied. And Umu Tobo want to spoil our house. Come back about you. If you don't land the car, you know go that way.